Brandon, give it to Mommy. Give it to me now. Please. Brandon, Mommy wants it. Give it to Mommy. Please. Give to Mommy. Give to Mommy. Now. Yep, this is his favorite word. Give it to Mommy. Give it to Mommy. Yes. Give it to Mommy now. Brandon Tyler, give to Mommy. Give to Mommy. Brandon, give it to Lizzie. Give it to